Hi, Year 8. Today you've got to work at being able to graph a line using a table of values. The first activity you have to do is called coordinate graphs first quadrant, and so in this activity you just need to identify the different points on the number plane by typing them into the grid here. So we can see that this point is the point 9 in the x. So that goes in the first one, and it goes across to 6 in the second. So that'll be the 0.96. And so this activity involves identifying all of these coordinates. The second activity that you have to do is where you need to graph a line using a table of values. So having this table of values, all the x and y values, you've got some coordinates, you've got to put those coordinates accurately on this grid. So the point 1, 0, which is that first bit there, that would be the point 1 on the x, 0 up and down, so that will be right there, and the little green dot will appear. You then find 0 minus 1, so the point on x being 0 and y being minus 1, so you plot that, and the next one minus 1, minus 2, so minus 1 for the x, minus 2 for the y, and then once you've got those 3 points, you submit that, and then it will draw a little line for you through it. And you can see that when you draw a line on this on a grid like this, you draw straight through the points with arrows on the end, but it'll do it automatically for you. So let's just do one more of those. So plotting the points, minus 1, 9, go up to the top there, 1, 8, so it's a 1 on the x, 8 on the y, and then 3, 7. Plot those points, check that, great. Good luck with these two activities.